Hey there friends, Nibs again. Out here in the garage tonight, doing a little bit of goofing around. Wanted to get out here and do a little bit of plinking tonight. Thought I'd give another go at the Fuel and Firepower and Illinois Airguns Championship, Air Rifle Shooting Championship. We've got a target with 24 bullseyes on it. Right there you go. And each one of those has a name of a prominent airgun channel on there, including my own. I haven't seen anybody do one with one of these guys yet, so I thought it'd be fun to give it a try. This is the Crosman M1, and this is the fully auto. We're going to be doing it in semi-auto mode, but I just put some new CO2s in it, and I did take a couple of practice shots with it, but still should have plenty of CO2, and hopefully we can hit a couple of points. But lots of fun. I'll call out the names as we go here. Let's take a couple of practice shots first. Nice little peep sight. I do like it. All right, a little low and left. That one looks like it's more centered. Let's do one more. All right, like I said, hopefully we'll get a couple of points here. So the first one is a tiny little bullseye there. That's Justin at Fuel and Firepower. His bullseye. He's trying to get away with something there, I think. I don't know. I can't see it out in the white anywhere. Maybe I got it. All right, next one is Rod with Illinois Airguns. Don't know. All right, next one is Hank over at Indiana Airguns. Fun channel. I can't tell if I'm getting them or not. I don't see anything out in the white, so that's a good sign. All right, we got Backyard Dispatcher. Don't know. Let me go take a peek at those real quick. All right, well, I think I'm not getting any BBs feeding. I don't know if I need to reload here or what is going on. But we're going to start over again because there's no holes in that paper other than the first 3 sighting shots that I took. All right, let's start back there with Justin again. Did I get anything? Stand by. All right, I can't tell where them BBs are going. Let's go back to the sighter target again. I'm going to go just in above the sighter, to the left of the sighter target. See that one? All right, back to Justin's target. All right, and now I see that I hit it. I don't know why I was not getting any BBs feeding. All right, back to rods. That's a miss. Can't tell if one went out with Hank's or not. All right, Backyard Dispatcher. All right, my target, walnut and steel. See that hit. All right, next one is John over at Lead Fever. That one might have broke the line. I see it right on the, like about 8 o'clock. All right, we got M7 Outdoors. Good old Lou. Hopefully he gets back on soon. Sure, I think I see that one about 4 o'clock maybe. All right, so now we're on to Johnny BB Gunner. Really like his channel. That was a good hit. All right, at least we're not skunked. We got a couple. Wild Man Outdoors Adventures. Don't know, it sounded like a BB went down though. Papa T's, always love Papa T's content. All right, King Break Barrel. Lots of fun. Not picking on him, but he does more more PCP stuff than he does brake barrels these days. But I do more plastic and aluminum than I do walnut and steel, so I can't say much. All right, Brian Wilk, he's been trying this a couple times, I see. All right, let me go take a peek at those, what's that, 12 so far. All right, we're doing okay. Got a couple of misses, but just, I think only 2 misses so far. All right, now we're on to off-the-shelf air guns. Good old Riddick over there. Make sure we're on the right one here. All right. No Pro Air. Great new channel. Not new to YouTube for sure. Ooh, that one's a miss. I can see that one out in the white. All right. Johnny Mac. Love Johnny Mac's channel. That looks like a good hit. All right, Simply Air Guns. Good channel, real good channel. Lots of good PCP stuff. Oop, I see that one out in the white. Darn it. All right. Scott over at Air Guns of Alaska. Looks like a good hit. John Lavenford Tactical. Good channel. Still kind of a new one for me, but all right, I don't see it out in the white. I can't tell if I got that one or not. All right. Derek at Derek's Adventures, my good buddy Derek. We've done a lot of trading over the years. All right, Painted Prepper air gun over there in the UK. I think I got that one. All right, so now the bottom row, the bullseyes are full, but for whatever reason it cut off the names, so I had to write them in there. But we got Iron Man Higgs. Looks like a hit. ZMJ. New one for me again, seeing Tom Palmer. Can't tell. We'll have to. All right, buddy Brian over at the Hasbro channel. Getting ready to do our giveaway soon. The giveaway with the Christmas challenge. I think I see that right in the middle there. All right, last but not least, good old GB Outdoors. Doing some, ooh, little to the right. All right, now we got our tiebreaker up top there. Oh, looks like I just missed it. All right, I don't think I did too bad. I think I got 3 or 4 misses there, but we'll add that up and see how we did. Stand by. All righty, I am back, and I think we did pretty good. I think this is one of my better rips. I think I did a little bit better with the Daisy 499B, but here's the target right here. I had 5 misses. Let's see, we missed Illinois Air Guns, we missed Lead Fever, we missed No Pro Air, we missed Simply Air Guns, and we missed GB Outdoors. But overall, that was some pretty good shooting. So that thing's got a really heavy trigger, and you know, it's just a smoothbore CO2 gun. So I think it did pretty good. Just missed the tiebreaker, but pretty cool stuff. Make sure you check out Fuel and Firepower Illinois Air Guns, and check out all the rest of these channels too. They're all great air gun content, but really pretty cool stuff. I don't know what was going on in the beginning there when I was starting out shooting, but it was not putting out BBs, but when I just shot it into the backstop there, it was putting them out close up without having to do anything else, and then it started working. So that's weird, but anyway, hope you guys liked the video. Really do love this guy here, even though we didn't get to shoot it with the full auto on this challenge. It's still a lot of fun with that way too. But till next time, have a great day.